well, for this week. And, you know, this is the first week of the winter that we've had two systems that I'm looking at in the very same week. It's been a pretty quiet winter otherwise. Let's get outside. Let's show you what we've got. Now, granted, we're, early in the season, but it is January, and we're sort of behind schedule with our snowfall. Right now, it's mostly clear, 29 degrees. So it's been a cold day. Never got above freezing today. 32 was the high, 22 was the low, 38 is your average. So, you're 6 degrees off the mark there. And again, cold, but the skies were pretty out there today, and no precipitation to deal with. But our next storm chance with precipitation looks to be on Thursday. But then there's the chance for a major storm system to move in here Saturday going into Sunday. The track of that is crucial. But as of right now, it's also uncertain. We don't know exactly where that's going to go, so I'll show it to you in just a moment on the radar picture. I do want you to dress warmly for the morning because the temperature is going to be about maybe 24 to 26 degrees, depending on where you are, but it will feel like 19. I'm not saying the winds are whipping out there, but a 26-degree reading and maybe a wind at around 10 degrees or so, it's going to feel like about 19 degrees. Vortex radar and satellite, it's quiet. It's been a beautiful looking sky all day long. We stay quiet right through Thursday. Big old high pressure system over Texas is really the dominant factor in the country right now. What comes by the time we get to Thursday night is this wet weather that you see out around California. That moves in for us. It looks like it wants to start off as some snow, maybe turn to a wintry mix afterwards, but enough moisture there, and it's not loaded with moisture, but you could see anywhere from a trace up to 3 inches, and that 3-inch range would be inland. Those smaller numbers would be by the coast. Now, let's go back and talk about the bigger system behind this one. You got to go way up and over to the Aleutian Islands. Okay, there's Alaska, the Aleutian Islands. It's this low right here. All right, it's got a lot of traveling to do, and it all depends where this sets up. Let's say, for example, it sets up west of us. It sets up over Syracuse, okay? Well, then it's going to bring in warm air to our area, and this will give us a lot of rain. If it sets up, off in our waters, well, then it brings in the colder air, and we get a lot of snow out of it. I mean, the potential is there. You've got 1 inch, 2 inches of precipitable water. Could be 10 to 20 inches is possible if that happens. But we don't know right now. Could be a lot of rain. We're going to watch everything. For tomorrow, 38 degrees with the sunshine. Looking across the board, we'll go 38 tomorrow. We'll go 42 on Wednesday. We'll go 33 on Thursday. And then by Thursday night, it becomes a little iffy with that system. I think there will be some snow out there. Probably going to turn to a wintry mix for a lot of folks along the shoreline. And then it's really all about Saturday and Sunday.
Watch that one.
Still up in the air, but we have to watch it.
Thank you, Lonnie.
Got our attention. Yeah. All right.